See you in Monkey Junior.
Tap play to start learning.
Food.
Food.
Lime.
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 Lime. Lime is used to make many different dishes.
Artichoke.
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 Steam.
Avocado.
Avocado.
Avocado. Avocado.
Avocado.
There is a single mushroom.
Mushroom.
Mushroom. Mushroom.
Mushroom.
Mushroom.
Mushroom.
Many.
Lime.
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 Artichoke.
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 Avocado.
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 Mushroom.
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 Mushroom. Nắm tiếng Anh là mushroom.
Six.
Six. Nắm.
Just.
Just.
Quite.
White.
Six.
Six.
Just.
Just.
Quite.
White.
Must.
Must.
Would.
Would.
Won't.
Won't. Dương. Dương không? Bố.
Nature.
Nature.
Grass.
Bố, con thích uống nước trắng.
Xuống lấy.
Grass.
Glass.
Grass.
Glass.
Grass is green. Waterfall.
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 Waterfall. Thác nước.
Waterfall.
Waterfall.
When a river flows.
River.
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 The water. Mud.
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 Mud baths are an all-time favorite of elephants.
Grass.
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 Glass.
Waterfall.
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 River.
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 Mud.
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 Mud. Sad.
Sad. Sad.
Sad.
Xét xét là gì đây?
Buồn. Đây là như này.
Sad.
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 Sad. Sit.
Sit.
Six.
Sit.
Sit.
cộng 3 bằng 6. À, 3 cộng 3 bằng 6, đúng rồi. 3 cộng 3 bằng 6.
Six. Six.
6.
Six.
6.
Words start with S.
Sky.
Sky.
C.
Sea.
Soil.
Soil.
Sign.
Sign.
Shoot.
Shoot.
Salt.
Soft.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. Try again.
Awesome! Avocado.
Avocado.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Fantastic.
River.
River.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Try again. Good try. Try again. You did it. Waterfall.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Great job.
Mushroom.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Good try. Try again.
Awesome!
Artichoke.
Artichoke.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
You did it.
Lime.
Lime.
Which one is quite?
White.
That is right.
Which one is?
6.
6.
Great job.
Hooray! You finished the lesson.
Congratulations, you've earned a sticker.
Play lessons to earn more stickers.